welcome back to my channel. So today I picked up my Secret Not Secret Kit Club December kit, and I also got my superhero prize in it for last month's crop, which was tons of fun. I can't talk enough about it. I had so much fun last month. What a cute card. Congrats, Tracy. Aww. Anyway, so I'm going to look through this first, what my prize pack is. My kitten Sophie is wandering around on my scrap table. I have shooed her off, I don't know how many times, but she keeps coming back. So she will probably make an appearance here in just a minute. And I don't know. I hate to throw her outside since it's so cold. Okie dokie. So this was the prize, and in it are these gossamer blue planner stamps. Oh, I like the banners. Oh, and those little bitty shapes. They come in solid and lined. And then this has got to be a traveler's notebook insert. And then this is the binder that goes with it. I love Freckle Fawn. I got one like this before, and this one is beautiful. Oh, so sorry. Sophie, get down. Yeah, that's not happening. So it came with the 4 cords and pockets to put everything in. And then, oh, nice. Vicky Bouton Mixed Media paper. Oh, you know what? And it's 7 by 10. And there's 12 design. I'm so sorry. I got new lights, and she's fascinated by the tip of the umbrella. And so here, let me show you. These are very nice. I like it. And that was the first one. Anyway, that was it. Thank you so much, Khristina. So this was my prize. And then I believe this actually went in here. It had a little bit of a, because it was so full that I'm sure it worked its way out. So it kind of went like that. Alright, and then here's my card. And this tissue paper has gold foil and hot pink dots on it. And let me see, I'm going to see if I can just cut it. Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Awesome. Okay, so I had asked for some Maggie Holmes Carousel paper. That I had some of the embellishments, but I didn't have any 12 by 12 paper. I have the 6 by 8 or 8 by 8, the smaller size. I think it's 6 by 8. And I have the stickers, and I had the, the embellishment kit, but I just didn't have much else. And I really liked it, so I asked her if she could help me out with that. All right, we'll start with the paper. So I love this. I got this in the click kit, and so I love getting another piece of this. This is from the Carousel. This beautiful green. And this is so nice. This is from Pink Paislee. I'm not sure which collection this is from, but I like it. I like it. Oh, crepe paper. This is also from the Carousel. I guess I don't remember that. This is beautiful. I don't really like this repeating pattern type stuff usually unless I do like a whole strip. So I'm not sure how I would use that, but we'll see. Oh, this has got to be pink Paislee because I've got some stickers like those, which is fine because I was working on a kit, you know, to put together for my Paige Evans embellishments that I have. Oh my. Okay, and then this one is from Carousel because I also got that in my my click kit, and they're all used up, so I needed some more. So this is Carousel. Oh wow, I don't remember seeing this one before. I like very much. Okay, and then Vicky Booten, all the good things. This is ledger paper, and then this beautiful pink paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is going to go fast. And awesome. I did ask for this. If she had this, I am so thankful because I do like the chipboard stickers. I've gotten them in the past, and that the cutting wasn't very good, you know, with the design, but I know that they were working on it. I noticed that they were getting better, so I am very, very happy to get this. Oh, thank you so much, Khristina. And then the other items are these gold glitter alpha, and they're foam, and they have white underneath. Together is what that one is. And then Small Talk Tim Holtz Ideology. It has the black in the back and white in the front. I don't know if I have this one. Maybe I do. I have several of them, but you know, they're very picked over, and I think my favorites are all used up, so I will definitely be using this. Sticky note pads. Oh, I have seen people have these. These are very cute. These are good for planners. I don't do planner stuff, but I can definitely use the banners. And then Adventure, of course, because we're talking about Carousel. I was wanting to do some pages of my day that I spent with my friend at the Texas State Fair. And I was gonna make her a gift. I still haven't started it. It was going to be for Christmas, and that didn't happen. And her birthday's coming up in May. I should have it done by then. Okay, and then, oh, this is pretty. I haven't seen it. So it's like a flat gold and black sticker letter, or sticker alpha and numbers, and some symbols. And then some gold foil hearts. Now these I like. I don't know if you can even see those. Oh no, the glare. And I'm not sure what this is from, but I know it'll go with the Carousel. Oh, and I love the doilies that she has. I love them. There's probably 4 or 5 in there. And then here are the 6x6 papers. Oh, I think this is from the Gather. I love that one too. Oasis. I didn't get very much from the Oasis, but it makes me think that's what it is because of the cactus. Uh-oh. Getting in some trouble. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, so here's the 6x8 papers. These are beautiful. This is from the Carousel. Very nice. Yeah, I will use all of this up. And even the paper that's from Pink Paislee coordinates so well. And then these are label. They're gold foil, and the white is easy to write on. It's not glossy. So that'll be nice. And then these 2 packages. And I should say that when I order kits, I usually get something big. I usually get the $40 kit because I do scrap a lot. If you've ever seen any of my monthly reviews, I scrap a lot. I still have a lot of stash and I do pull from it, but I don't mind spending the extra money to get new things because it'll help me pull my stash out a little bit more. Alright, so relaxing. You know, I'm not sure where that's from. And Gather Memories, that's from the Gather collection. Oh yeah, and this is too. I love this. Little things are often the biggest things. Oh, I don't know if I've ever gotten that. I like it. And the bird. And, oh, how about that? So, this is sewn onto here. How cute is that? So it's like a little booklet. Could go in the travel notebook. I like that. How awesome is that? Alright, and then this must be from Studio Calico. A couple of these, they're gold envelopes, that little, what do they call this? Not cellophane. Oh, I don't even know what they're called. These kind of envelopes. And then this one, oh goodness, okay. I'm going to push this aside because this has got a lot of little, looks like little things in it. Alright, I have some wooden words, getaway, create, and love. And then this is from the Carousel. I like that. Oh, and this, we didn't even talk about this. This is the thing that fell out. I think it's like washi. Oh, you know, and I'm not even sure. I don't know if I've seen anybody use this. Was it like 2 feet long? Oh, so I guess it's like paper. And you just put it down as a border. Because it's not like a sticker or anything. I'll have to look this one up. I'm not quite sure what this is. But I like it. I mean, I love the design of it and the gold. I'm not a huge gold fan. I don't like gold a whole lot, but this is enough. This is very good. Oh, and then this little pom-pom. Oh, how cute is that? Well, this is awesome. What a great day to receive everything. I want to thank Khristina for really taking what I said to heart and pulling things that are absolutely perfect for, you know, for my kit. And I look forward to the crop that we're going to have next weekend and get a lot of this used up. All right. Once again, I encourage everyone that if you've not been to Secret Not Secret Kit Club, if you're not a member already, I'm going to link her website down below, and that way you can find out more details about it, because it's kind of the Facebook page and the crop and all of that is like it by invitation only. So not only are we doing a crop, but we're also having an opportunity to have a no-buy month, which is the month of January. It doesn't include kits, so I'm still going to get my kit for January and my click kit as well, but no purchasing at any place else, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, online, Tuesday morning, any of those. So I'm just going to work with what I have in my stash and in the things that I get. Anyway, it is a lot of fun, and this is a great group of women to be a part of. Anyway, If you have any questions, you can leave those below, and I want to welcome all my new subscribers. And if you have, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. All right, thanks. You guys have a great day. Bye.